Hi everyone, greetings of the day. Nice to see you again. Welcome again to Imran Amami channel with me Imran here. Today I would like to share my experience when I was assigned as project controller for the mechanical works in Benuang, Muaraenim, Sumatra, Indonesia for the project schedule October 2005 till November 2006. Many ups and downs during these projects, but all of them will lead purely to a living for the family. This video will lead you to enjoy some project mechanical experience journey, starting from construction equipment mobilization from our construction equipment pool in West Java, Cilegon, through inland transportations till the construction equipment arrive on sites. This video also show you some project construction activities, some construction progress in the early stage. Therefore, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Enjoy watching this video till it finishes. As shown on the screen is mobilization activity of heavy equipment such as mobile crane 45 ton, low bed and high bed trailer, compressor, welding machine, poco trucks and others from our workshop in Cilegon, West Java, Indonesia. Heavy equipments and crews when arriving at Merakpot, waiting for queues to cross the Sunda Strait to Bangkahuni Port. Heavy equipments and crews arrived at the Bangkahuni Port and then took inland transportation to the pier. I'm wearing a light yellow shirt with a safety supervisor, and the mechanic crews are checking the visibility of the local residence bridge, whether it is suitable for our construction equipment to pass or if it needs additional reinforcement. If it is not visible, then another alternative route will be sought. Finally, the construction equipment and crews arrive on site by taking another alternative route. This is the progress of foundation equipment work on site. Reinforcement access road work on site for cranes and other heavy equipment to pass. Existing buildings at the project site. Keeping work by mechanical crew for tank T 18,715. Other work progress in the project site. Final completion of chipping of the T 18,715 tank foundation prior to its installation. A rigorous stance on top of the T 18,715 tank to ensure the sling belt is installed perfectly and in accordance with safety procedures. Progress lifting tank T 18,715. Progress installation tank 18,715. Me in the blue shirt along with other crews are supervising the progress of the tank T 18,715 installation. Surveyor and mechanical engineer, mechanic, operator, low bed trailer and others with background air receiver drum V18703. Progress unloading drum air receiver from low bed trailer. Progress lifting drum air receiver V18703. Progress lowering drum air receiver V18703. Progress installation of drum air receiver V18703 using 2 cranes. Progress mounting the air receiver drum V18703 into the correct ball position. Progress unloading instrument air receiver V18704 from Procol truck using 2 cranes, me in a green shirt supervising from a distance. Progress installation instrument air receiver V18704. I am in a green shirt supervising together with other crews.